Hi, meteorologist Damien Lodes, and this is your weekly forecast for November 10th. Now, right now in Oklahoma City, we're enjoying a nice temperature of 68 degrees. Winds are light out of the south, about 12 miles an hour. And as we take a look at temperatures across the rest of the metro, 72 right now for Edmond, Midwest City, 70 down in Norman, and 55 for both Okarche and Kingfisher. Now, as we zoom out to take a look at temperatures across the rest of the state, the big story for tonight is going to be this Arctic air mass start to make its way through Oklahoma. Now, right behind this cold front, we're already seeing temperatures dropping into the 40s. 41 right now for Alva, Woodward, and look at the Panhandle, already dropping temperatures into the 30s. 39 degrees right now for Guyman. Now, in this cold front right behind it, not only is it dropping temperatures, but we're also seeing an increase of wind speeds. Winds gusting up to 46 miles an hour for Enid, 41 in Alva, but look at Ponca City and Bartlesville. Right behind this cold front, we're already seeing winds gusting into the 50s for parts of northern Oklahoma. Now, predictors showing that as this cold front moves through right around 10 o'clock, 11, that's when it's going to start to move through the Oklahoma City metro area, and it's going to keep moving southeastward and getting into the Durant, McAllister, Salisaw areas right around 1 a.m. And right behind this, it's definitely going to drop the overnight lows below freezing for majority of the state, because average for this time of year for the overnight lows is 42, but look at this, 31 for the overnight low in Stillwater, 29 for both Enid and Clinton, and 31 in Hobart. Now, if that wasn't bad enough, look at these winds gusting up to 40 miles an hour for tonight. So those wind chill values are going to be brutal starting off tomorrow morning, because as you're making your way out to work tomorrow morning or dropping those kids off at school, this is what you're going to be looking at. 21 is what it's going to feel like in Stillwater, 18 is the wind chill in Enid, Clinton, 21 in Hobart. Now here for Oklahoma City, it's going to feel like 20 degrees as you're making your way into work tomorrow. So make sure you're definitely dressing for winter as we're looking at these temperatures feeling like it's going to be in the teens. So for the overnight hours, 30 degrees is what it's going to get down to tonight. Winds gusting up to 40 miles an hour, so those wind chills are going to be brutal. Tomorrow morning, we're going to start off at 31, but luckily the winds aren't going to be quite as strong, but we're still going to see those wind chills in the teens. Now tomorrow, we are going to see the sun out. It's going to be nice and shiny, but it's not going to do a whole lot as far as helping these temperatures out, because we're not going to get out of the 30s. Afternoon high of 39 degrees today is what we're going to see for tomorrow, after seeing temperatures in the high 70s for today. Now, the average for tomorrow across the state is 64 for the afternoon high, but look at these afternoon high temperatures: 43 for Stillwater, 46 for Seminole, Ada, and 48 down in Durant. So we're going to see well below temperatures starting for tomorrow and then heading into the rest of the week, because as you take a look at this 5-day temperature trend, normally for this time of year, we're in the mid 60s, but as you can see, starting tomorrow and then heading into the weekend, we're going to be about 20-25 degrees below that. So that's just going to show you just how strong this cold front's going to be. Now, as we get into your headlines, we do have a rain-snow mix chance returning to the forecast starting this weekend. Now, Saturday night's going to be the best chance of when we're going to see this rain-snow mix, and it is going to end Sunday morning, so it's not going to impact your weekend plans too much. But as we take a look at the impacted area right here, it does encompass the majority of the state. All the major highways are going to be impacted with this, and this is only going to be a 40% chance starting Saturday night heading into Sunday morning is what we're going to look at. And as we take a look at the storm impacts, we do have a low risk right now of this ice accumulation on the bridges. No risk right now for the roads, so the roads should be nice and clear, but the main risk right here, we have a moderate risk right here for the wind chill that's in. That's going to be because with all these cold temperatures and strong winds, it's definitely going to drop those wind chill values down into the teens. Now, as we get into your 5+5 forecast here for the next 10 days, tomorrow's going to be a cold one, folks, only getting up to 39 degrees for the afternoon high. We're going to stay in the 30s getting in the next couple of days. 36 for the afternoon high on Wednesday, 34 on Thursday. We're finally going to get into the 40s starting on Friday. And as we get into the weekend, we do have that 40% chance of that rain-snow mix starting on Saturday night, heading into Sunday morning. But look, temperatures are still going to barely get out of the 30s. Afternoon high of 40 degrees on both days. Now, tomorrow is Veterans Day, and as a former Marine, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our veterans, both past and present, for your service to our country. So from me to you, thank you very much for your service, and you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.